Welcome students, in this video we are going to learn our poem of English Fairy. The name of the poem is A True Satyagrahi. In this poem we will learn why Gandhiji is a true Satyagrahi. Let's drill the hard words of the poem. Enlightened, ENLIGHTENED, philosophy, PHILOSOPHY, conquerors, CONQUERORS, bloodless, BLOODLESS, discriminate, DISCRIMINATE, revamp, REVAMP, plunders, PLUNDERS. Now let's check the word meaning of the poem. Revamp means records, annals means to improve, enlightened means someone who is very wise. Now let's read the poem. Mahatma, the enlightened one, won a war without sword or gun. Born in Saurashtra, a small coastal town, this because of him achieved world renown. A gentle human with a rare philosophy left his imprint in the annals of history. He threw back the conquerors across the seas by showing them the power of his inner peace. Ahimsa he followed and brought a bloodless revolution. Without him, our country we would not call our nation. His message to us is simple and clear. If we ignore it, the price we pay is dear. Discriminate not on creed and caste. Stand united, be Indian first and last. Bapu, sometimes I dream if you were in our midst. Wouldn't you face up to the terrorist? Wouldn't you revamp him who smuggles and plunders? Wouldn't you set aright our wayward leaders? Wouldn't you today save my country and restore it to its ultimate glory? Bapu, I dream a dream, with my dream come true. Will you be born again? My country needs you. Here the poet refers Mahatma Gandhi as enlightened one because he fought the Britishers without using violence. He was born in Saurashtra, a small coastal place that became famous as Gandhiji's birthplace. Gandhiji left his imprint on the annals of history because he won the war for India's freedom without firing a gun or using a sword. He used ahimsa, the power of his inner peace, to drive the Britishers from the country. Gandhiji had a unique philosophy, one that grew from his gentleness and inner peace. He called it ahimsa, which means non-violence. He also followed a bloodless revolution. The thought behind the bloodless revolution was to show the Britishers the power of ahimsa and achieve freedom through non-violence. The result of this bloodless revolution was that India gained her freedom from the Britishers. The message was very clear and simple, that we should not discriminate against one another on the basis of caste and creed. Gandhiji said we should stand united as Indians. The poet dreams of Gandhiji returning to India and saving us from modern day terrorist and corrupt leaders. The poet believes that our country needs him now more than ever. The poet says that if we will not follow the message of Gandhiji's peaceful coexistence and of being united as Indians, we will pay a heavy price. He taught that we should not discriminate on the basis of the caste and creed and be Indians first. If we do not follow his message, we will not be united and will not be a strong nation. Thanks for watching the video.